Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the minced pork with lotus root.
Ingredients are minced pork 600 grams, lotus roots 400 grams, dried shrimp 2 tablespoons, soaked in water and chopped in small dice, shallot 1 piece, chopped in small dice, coriander stems 1 tablespoon, egg white 1 piece, cooking oil 3 tablespoons, seasonings, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, Shaoxing wine 2 teaspoons, salt 1 teaspoon, brown sugar 2 teaspoons. Rinse lotus root, peel it, cut 6 pieces, 1.5 centimeters width each. Wok or steamer, steam for 15 minutes. Chop small dice for the rest of the lotus roots. Mix all seasonings, dried shrimp, shallot, coriander stems, egg white, and finally lotus roots together into minced pork and toast it well. Rub minced pork. Use hand to rub the minced pork until sticky. Knead 2 to 3 minutes. Pan-fried minced pork. Use pan. Add 3 tablespoons oil, high heat. Take out small portion, palm size. Rub it in round shape. Put it into the pan slowly. Pan-fry 3 minutes for each side. Turn to medium heat to pan-fry again 3 minutes for each side. Turn to high heat to pan-fry 1 minute for each side. Turn off the heat. Finally, put fried minced pork on top of the steamed lotus root. Sprinkle spring onion and serve. Enjoy!